Hello, and thank you for watching 2Car Pro's Garage. Today we are going to show you how to replace a daytime running bulb on a GMC Yukon. We will start by releasing the hood using a latch found under the dashboard on the driver's hand side. After opening the hood, locate the headlight housing pins on which side you will be replacing. Remove those pins. Then, pull the headlight housing out, gaining access to the wiring harness to your headlight bulbs. Remove the wiring harness from the headlight bulbs using a small standard screwdriver. Locate the DRL housing mounting tab, gaining access to the back of the housing. Next is to remove the bulb, pushing inward on the socket tab, then rotating counterclockwise. Remove the bulb and inspect it. Here is a picture of our failed bulb. Before replacing your bulbs, it is always a good idea to compare your bulbs to your prior bulb that you will be replacing. Insert your replacement bulb into the socket, then socket into the housing until you hear the socket clip. Replace the DRL housing. Replace the headlight housing and wiring harness to the headlight bulbs. Rotate the headlight housing and put it back into the mounting spot using the pins that you took out. Take your time to be sure you don't damage any of the car's exterior parts. We hope this video helped you replace your daytime running bulb. Thank you for watching 2Car Pro's Garage.